if you wanna shoot far away, I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today. I'm stronger today.
Hey my loves, it's your pal Trace Cutie 54 Series 3 here. Have you ever gone to start up your car and this happens to you on the dashboard? Check this out. I'm going to start it up like normal. Okay, so it starts up like normal, but you see that light there? That's the check engine light. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to reset that. So, here we go. Wait, let me shut that up. Okay, so you're going to go to your car. You're going to turn the ignition on. Do not start the car up. And then within 9 to 14 seconds, press and hold the trip meter reset button. Just give it a minute, guys. You should hear an audible beep. Release the trip meter reset button, and boom! No more check engine light. How clever is that, guys? So yeah, guys, I hope this was helpful. If it was, you know the drill, guys. Remember to give it a thumbs up. And stay tuned for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And of course, Trace is on the case. Bye, my loves.
I won't go back to you. I'm stronger, I'm stronger, I'm stronger today.